Do you think the Philippines can have 50% RE share by 2040 and still have reliable and affordable electricity for all?
Yes, I'm confident on that. Wag lang bibitawan ng DOE ang GEA. Kasi yung GEA, nakita ko ang pinakang effective na programa.
Yung green energy auction.
Yung green energy auction. Kasi number one, it's the government that says, ito ang gusto kong number, capacity, at kung kailan ko gustong dadating itong capacity na ito ng renewable energy. So that guarantees actually the quantity.
Sa reliability, kasama rin naman sa ginagawa ng DOE na ipasok yung battery energy storage system as part ng requirement doon sa ibang installation. At ginagawan din naman namin ng study yan in terms of sa system na ang grid ay nandyan din to help contribute sa reliability ng delivery ng supply coming from these renewable energy sources.